My name is Ty Kraus. I am almost 55 years old. I've had injuries pretty much all my life. Really, it's from wear and tear just over the years. I started having shoulder problems back in, just out of high school. Then it got to the point to where I couldn't even draw back a bow. And that's when I decided I got to get something done with it. The first time that I heard about the Anika Integrity Graft, my doctor, Christopher Baker, was the one that told me about it. He said that this is a new thing and not many people are getting it yet. And he said that I'd be an excellent candidate. I ended up seeing him I think it was January, had the MRI done. My supraspinatus was totally torn and backed up into my neck. My bicep was torn 50%. Luckily, I didn't tear it fully through, but I had arthritis and bursitis. And when he showed me the pictures of the first MRI, it just looked like all this white stuff. You couldn't see anything. I couldn't do any lawn work. I couldn't do, lift a tire up or anything without being in pain. From the day of the surgery, every day after that was a progression for me. I had to do my exercises, starting out with just the pendulum. 3 to 4 months, I wasn't getting any pain doing that. I knew then that I was getting better. When I first found out that the implant was made of 80% hyaluronic acid, I was very happy with that. With everything, all the studies and everything that have been done over all these years. And I think that contributed to my healing process, that I healed faster than I thought I would, and that amazed me. My range of motion was probably about right there. I could not lift, and over here I couldn't do anything. And now I can do everything. I have no limitations at all. Climbing ladders, filling feeders with 50-pound bags. Integrity has helped me return back to my active lifestyle. I want to thank everyone that had a part in this. Anika, Dr. Christopher Baker and his team have done an excellent job, and they brought me my life back.